Hello, YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we will be covering videos from the following YouTube channels: Film the Police LA, We for the People, and Audits of Freedom. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channels and show them some love by subscribing to their channels. The First Amendment is the backbone of our nation. You have the First Amendment right to film any public official in the line of duty. If the public official is in public, your First Amendment right supersedes their right to privacy. Remember, you do not have to answer any of their questions, and that includes giving your name.
No plates, illegal tint. There you go again. Blue or red light. How's it going?
Good, man.
Where's the plate at, man?
What's that?
Where's your front plate at?
Huh?
Don't worry about it. I should worry about it. You guys pull us over for that.
You stop police officers. That's why we don't have plates on our cars.
You're required to follow the law.
Yeah, I get it.
The law is required. You're required to follow the law. Just because you're a cop doesn't mean you're exempt from the law.
Dude, you stalk us. So enough.
I stalk you. I make sure you follow the rules. Follow the rules.
Okay.
You don't think you should follow the rules? Why don't you follow the rules? Why don't you follow the rules? You think you should be exempt from rules? Talking about I stalk you. I try to make sure you guys follow the rules. We have to follow the rules. We entrust you to enforce the rules on us, but then you think that you're exempt from the rules. You want to make sure that officers are the only one without plates. Well, you know what happens? Then the people without plates are known as officers. That's how you get targeted. It makes no sense. You need to follow the rules. You can get upset about it. You're just going to get ridden up.
What's going on there? What is it?
Randy,
What's up?
can't be filming squad cars, bro.
Sure I can.
Oh, you can't?
Oh, yes I
Can't be
can.
right up to the car. No.
That's
You know
Tia.
me well enough.
Tia.
You can't be. You can't film inside the squad cars. Okay.
Why, sure I can.
Well, you can't.
Why, sure I can.
Okay. All right, Randy. What do you need here today?
Well, I wanted to talk to
You talk to me all the time. You remember me, right?
Yeah, I know you are.
Okay. You're always pretty good with me.
Yeah.
But the equipment inside there, if people are, there's guns and stuff in there that you film, and if you put that out, that's not, we don't want people knowing what's held in there, okay? It's a safety concern.
Just okay.
Okay, I'm being honest with you, being polite with you like I always am.
Right.
All right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Likewise.
Right, so.
Likewise. What are they?
Just be careful with your dogs.
Yeah, if somebody comes out the door right now, they're gonna.
They're gonna what? They ain't gonna shoot them, are they?
No, but they're gonna get tripped by or choke your dogs if they come out the door.
No. Well, he was just petting them.
I know.
I said be careful.
Guys, you guys get away. Yeah, I know you did. What's your name?
Mike Crockett.
Okay.
All right.
So yeah, I come down to.
Okay. Who'd you come to? You said you want to talk to somebody. Who'd you want to talk to? Hold them away from the door, though, please.
You know, I'm
See?
gonna. I am.
They're gonna get stepped on.
Hang on. Get over here.
And your
Come on.
dogs are gonna get hurt, and it's not gonna be our fault because somebody's gonna
Oh
step
yeah. It's never your fault.
on. All right, Randy.
Oh, there's my favorite.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Special now.
Yeah, you're pretty special. Why your car running? Why you just leave it running like the
Randy.
gas like that?
Randy, what do you need?
The battery's what?
What do you
I love
need?
this guy. He tells so many lies.
He's a good sergeant.
Yeah, he is. Yeah. Don't know the law, much of the law, but that's all right.
What can I do for you?
I didn't ask for you.
I'm the one here to talk
Yeah,
to
you
you
go.
Oh,
about
I thought you were.
the lobby traffic.
I thought you were.
No, did you call up the sergeant's one for lobby traffic? I saw you videotape his car, and I told you not to do that. So, okay.
Well, but I
You said
can.
you wanted to talk to somebody. You actually can't go right. up to
Well,
the car and
yeah, I
videotape
just
it.
did.
Okay.
I'm here to talk to you about the FOIA request.
Is that all you want to talk about?
That's what the notes said in the screen about it.
Well, there is a FOIA request I'd like,
Okay.
but there's been an ongoing impeding a complaint process for the last month and couple of days.
I just need a phone number from you, and we'll have somebody call you about your FOIA request. And I just need to know what the FOIA request is for, so they can look it up for you.
You need to know what the FOIA request is for, okay? It is for the phone. He keeps taking pictures of me and putting stuff on social media. and I have proof of it.
Well, how is that different?
Is that First Amendment?
What do you mean? What? No, well, he worked. Well, no, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Doesn't he work for the city? Doesn't he work for the city?
You're on video right now. We work for the city.
Yeah, well, I could FOIA request that too. It becomes public record.
But he's on. He can videotape you all he wants.
Well, not if he. It depends on what he does with it. He's putting on stuff on social media. That's.
You don't do that.
Excuse me.
You don't do that.
That's my. He doesn't have that privilege if he works for the city, and neither do you. Do you?
It's his
I mean, do you?
video.
Do you?
It's his personal video.
It's not personal. Once he not if he's working for the city.
Okay.
No.
All right, Randy. You're the only one that can videotape people, right?
No. You can.
I know.
You can too.
Right now.
Yeah, I know. I am.
What do you need?
I want his phone. I want all his records. I want his phone.
Do that through.
Because he's doing bad things with it.
What's the phone number for you? I'll have the records person call you to get the information you need.
563. So I want you to tell me again how you can trespass someone from public property.
Like I explained before, you can get trespassed from City Hall. You can get trespassed from the public library. You can get trespassed from.
Oh yeah, I can.
From the Erickson Center.
Okay, for what? For what though? If I break the law, correct?
You don't have to break the law.
Oh yeah, I do.
You have to have someone in charge once someone trespassed.
No. Nope, that ain't the way it works, buddy.
I'll have them call you.
That is not the way it works. That's why I said you don't know the law.
Okay.
We'll see about that. We'll see about that.
All right, Randy. See you, Randy.
So that's it?
Yep,
that's it. You're not going to take my complaint? You're not going to take my complaint? Up. There we go again. And the car's still running. Here's your taxpayers' money. Ain't my fault.
Okay, Randy. Here's what I'm asking you. You can put it on video. I'm asking you to leave our police parking lot.
Why for?
Because this is the police parking lot. You cannot be in our lot videotaping our cars. And I'll call the county.
Who said that?
Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to call the county attorney and ask if you can. If you can't,
well, are you butt hurt?
Pardon me?
Are you butt hurt?
Listen, I'm going to ask you. I'm asking you to leave.
Why?
If you don't, that's fine. I'm done asking you. I'm going to call the county attorney and ask if you can. But if you
Well, you're crazy, you guys.
That's fine. Stay there.
It's not against the law to be in this parking lot. No, it ain't. You're crazy.
No, I'm okay. Can I help you?
You need some help or something?
No, just doing a First Amendment audit.
Of the building?
Mm-hmm.
First Amendment audit.
Yeah. Just got done with the police station. I do them all the time. But I'm not coming in today. But normally I'll come in, and it's all public property. You're allowed to do public photography in a public property.
You can't film inside.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's our courthouse regulations. That's
in the courthouse, in the courtroom.
No, inside.
So anywhere in there.
That's what we've been told. That's our policy.
Okay. Well,
I don't know about the police departments, but the courthouse.
For Lee County, I mean, the documentation that I've seen is you're allowed to be in there, just not in a courtroom while it's in session. But we'll have to. I'll probably put that to test.
We're just going by what our supervisors tell us. So.
Okay. Well, when there's going to be a group of us out here sooner or later, that we're going to put that theory to the test, and we'll have the paperwork and the law in our hand. You know, I just.
When that's going to be, so.
I'm not really sure.
Okay. Soon or.
Maybe.
Okay. All right.
But you know, we're not trying to cause any trouble out here.
Right.
It's just for First Amendment. There shouldn't be any problem with public photography, especially there's cameras everywhere watching me. You know.
Yeah.
But it's nothing for safety. Not the safety of you guys.
Yeah.
Or anything like that.
It's understandable.
Cool.
All right.
All right.
How we doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Good.
What was your name and badge number, sir?
Shuffler.
Your badge number.
I'm Deputy Ward, Lee County Sheriff's Office.
Lee County. You have a badge number, sir?
What's your name?
I'm not going to say.
No. Let me, you don't mind.
Sure. Take a picture. I can hold the complaint form up too that I'm about to file.
Yeah, hold that up. See what we got here.
Sure.
Yeah, I believe
I've actually been to Lee County.
your names come up more than one time in our.
Well, I talked to your officers at the Lee County substation over the bridge about a week or so ago, and
real
nice
you're already
officer.
Documented. We know who you are.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
He told me out there I could do it all I
So
want.
what are you up to?
Filming in the public.
Just exercising your right to
Filming
walk
in
around
the.
and film.
Yep.
He was saying that he's going to have a bunch of other friends, companions that are going to come
here all together, and they're going to come outside and inside.
I mean,
film.
any of the publicly accessible areas that we're allowed
organizing, to. Is this?
No,
it,
not organizing. There's just a bunch of us auditors,
you,
and we decided to get together that day, and we're allowed. We're told that we're allowed in publicly accessible. We own this building, so I'm a taxpayer.
Yeah.
In a courtroom, we can't go in there. You
I
know.
wasn't, as far as we were told, we can't be filming inside.
Plenty of these videos I've done. We stick our camera.
We can look into that.
with our
Yeah.
supervisor.
Yeah.
And,
Maybe before you're going to do it, you may want to come, or one of your representatives ask, hey, on this day we're going to come and film some stuff, exercising our First Amendment rights.
Cool.
What can we film and what we can't?
Yeah,
That'd be the best thing.
One that I've been to before.
Wise. That's good advice. Yes.
I can do that, but one that I've been to before, you guys just, you took my camera and everything out, and I ran it through the machine, and
Right.
I was fine after that.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Who, one of your sergeants?
I know who to call.
You know who to call?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, good.
I've been in
Very
contact
good.
with
All
him.
right. Stay
So
warm.
when you say that my names came up a bunch, first off, how do y'all know my name? Because I never gave it. And is that a bad thing or good thing that my names came up?
I wasn't the one that gathered this information, so I can't tell you.
Is it just because I'm out here recording? Is that what everybody's
It's very
saying?
unusual and suspicious.
It is
what
very
you're doing-
unusual.
What you're doing will raise some suspicion.
Gotcha.
So you got to understand that we're wanting to know who you are.
Okay.
And we want to know that you're not a threat.
No,
Are you a threat?
absolutely not.
Thank
And that's what I was just telling this
Okay.
officer, that I'm not
See, the
trying to
problem
threaten any
is
safety
while
of
you're filming
officers.
the building,
I'm trying to.
people that are sitting out here, you may be going by and they think they're being filmed
Yeah.
too, and now
It's a public
you're
area,
invading
though.
them.
You
Right,
know?
but they're getting nervous.
But I'm a public servant.
Okay.
But they're public, private individuals.
Most of
They
my
have a
calls.
right to say you can't film me.
Yeah, I've had officers calling
So-
me all the time at the post
so you
office
understand
for
that.
stuff like that, but yeah, that's understandable. But for you guys to know our rights as far as public photography goes, and you should be educated enough on that to know that I'm not doing anything illegal in a public area.
Probably the best thing to do, get a hold of the bosses, get it cleared up, a time, a date, and we know you're coming.
Will do.
That way we can, give you the best customer service possible.
Absolutely. I appreciate you guys.